Good morning children. Saira. Let's continue with our chapter 6, factorization of algebraic expressions. Let's recall the important formulae which we have studied in the previous sessions and which will be helpful in solving the practice set 6.4. A plus B the whole square. Now what is the formula? Children, you have to write the answer, that is you have to write the formula. So what is the answer? A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Right? Now second formula is A minus B the whole square. So the answer is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So the difference is of sign. In both these formulas the terms are same, difference is of sign. Next important formula is A square minus B square, and the answer is A plus B the whole bracket multiplied by A minus B. Next important formula, A cube plus B cube. Answer is A plus B the whole bracket multiplied by A square, which sign will come? Minus AB plus B square. And the next one is A cube minus B cube. And the answer is A minus B the whole bracket multiplied by A square plus AB plus B square. So again children, here the difference is of sign, terms are same. And the next important formula, x plus A the whole bracket multiplied by x plus B, and the answer is x square plus A plus B the whole bracket multiplied by x plus AB, and it is a quadratic trinomial. And we have also learned how to factorize quadratic trinomial. Let's start with practice set 6.4. Simplify. Fifth question. Third and fourth we will do as assignment. Question is 3x square minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by 3x square minus 7x minus 6 upon x square minus 4. So in the first fraction, numerator 3x square minus x minus 2, maybe you might not be able to solve directly. So such sums you have to solve, children. It is a part of your sum solution. So we will write the question, that is numerator of first fraction 3x square minus x minus 2. That is a quadratic trinomial. We will solve it. X square is having coefficient 3. Multiply with minus 2. So you will get minus 6. And we will find the factors of minus 6. The sum is minus x. It means its coefficient is 1. Difference is 1. So which factors we will take? Factors of 6 are 1 and 6, 3 and 2. So we will be taking 3 and 2. What about the sign? We know some sign we have to give to greater factor. So minus 3 plus 2. Factors are minus 3 plus 2. Now we will write this trinomial as 4 terms. So our terms are now 3x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 2. Now 4 terms are there. So we are going to group them. That is 2 terms together make group of 2 terms. 2 groups of 2 terms. Now in the first one, which are the common factors? 3 is common, x is common, right? So we will be writing 3x common. Uncommon in bracket. Now what is uncommon here? X. So we'll be writing here x minus 1. 3x is taken common. So in the bracket we will be getting the factors x minus 1. Now here you know that which number is common now? 2 is common. So you will take 2 common. Uncommon in bracket. Which uncommon? X minus 1. Now full bracket x minus 1 is common. So again now uncommon here we are getting 3x plus 2. So in bracket we will be writing 3x plus 2. And we have already learned how to factorize quadratic trinomial. So answers are x minus 1 the whole bracket multiplied by 3x plus 2. Now next one. X square minus 7x plus 12. This is simple one. Even you will be able to do directly. But here we will solve it. We will find the factors of 12. It is positive plus 12. X square term is having coefficient 1. And the middle term is minus 7. So which factors we are going to take? Factors of 12. That is 3 and 4. And sign of the middle term will give to greater. And it is positive factor. So both will have negative sign. So our factors are minus 4, minus 3. So we'll be writing here now. That is x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. Again let's make the groups. In first group, which is a common factor, x. Uncommon are x minus 3. Similarly, in another group, which is the common factor, minus 4. So uncommon here it will come x. So x minus 3. We know 12. So 4 3s are x minus 3. And also you know children, you will get this bracket common. So x minus 3 full bracket is common. Now uncommon factor we will write here in the bracket x minus 4. So the answers are, factors are x minus 3 the whole bracket multiplied by x minus 4. Now the next one is 3x square minus 7x minus 6. Again we have to find the factors. Here x square is having the term 3. Here minus 6. So they are minus 18, right? 3 6 are 18. And it is negative. So the difference we will get. Now what are the factors? Factors of 18, 9 and 2. Middle term sign we will get to greater factor. So minus 9 plus 2 will get positive sign. Because we know negative factors. All sign rule, everything we have studied children. Now we will write this as 4 terms. 3x square, we will split minus 7x as minus 9x plus 2x minus 6. Again the same thing, make the group of 2. Now in this group, which is a common factor? 3x. Uncommon in bracket. And which are the uncommon one? Uncommon here it is x, because 3x we have taken common. Sign is minus and here 9 is given. So 3 3s are 9, that is, so 3 will be common, x minus 3. Here which is the common factor? 2. So 2 is common. Uncommon factor is x minus 3. X minus 3 full bracket common. So uncommon here it will come 3x plus 2. So these are the factors. X minus 3 the whole bracket multiplied by 3x plus 2. Now next one is x square minus 4. Now this is based on the formula a square minus b square. Which formula they are based on? A square minus b square. Here you can directly write the factors also, but I have shown you the steps. X square is square of x and 4 is square of 2. So factors are x plus 2 the whole bracket multiplied by x minus 2. So in the question, now we will substitute their factors. Question is 3x square minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by 3x square, minus 7x minus 6 upon x square minus 4. Now we will start writing the factors. 3x square minus x minus 2. Its factors we got were x minus 1 the whole bracket multiplied by 3x plus 2. And for denominator x square minus 7x plus 12 we got the factors x minus 3 the whole bracket multiplied by x minus 4. Divide by, now 3x square minus 7x minus 6. The factors we got were x minus 3 the whole bracket multiplied by 3x plus 2. And factors of x square minus 4, x plus 2 the whole bracket multiplied by x minus 2. Now we will write the factors of first fraction x minus 3 the whole bracket multiplied by 3x plus 2 upon x minus 3 the whole bracket multiplied by x minus 4. Now children, remember here it is given divide by and we will change it to multiply. So what we have to do is we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. When we say reciprocal means numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. So divide by we have written as multiply, and the factors x minus 3 the whole bracket multiplied by 3x plus 2 now we have written in denominator, and x plus 2 the whole bracket multiplied by x minus 1 as numerator. So what we have done is we have changed divide by to multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the second fraction. After that you start dividing it, and when you are dividing, divide full binomial, full bracket. X minus 1 is in numerator. Is it the factor in denominator? No. So we cannot divide. 3x minus 2 whole bracket divide by 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 whole bracket divide by that. Is any other factor you can divide? No. All are different factors. So what we will do? We will write the same factors. X minus 1 is remaining. So x minus 1 we will be writing here in numerator. X plus 2 the whole bracket multiplied by x minus 1, all they are our numerator, that is in numerator. And in denominator what is remaining? X minus 3. Here also x minus 3. So we can write x minus 3 the whole bracket square and x minus 4. And these factors already we have divided, so we will not be writing. So remaining factors which are there, x minus 1 the whole bracket multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. So upon x minus 3 the whole square the whole bracket, that is another bracket is x minus 4. So these are the simplified, this is the answer. Next question, 4x square minus 11x plus 6 upon 16x square minus 9. Solution. Here we have to find the factors, we have to solve. We will not be able to find directly. So 4x square minus 11x plus 6. Factors of the x we will find. We know that the coefficient of x square is 4 and the last term is 6. So 4 6 are 24. We will find the factors of 24 and it is positive 24. So which are the factors? 8 and 3. And middle term sign will give to greater factor. So other term will also get same sign, because you will multiply the two negatives, you will get positive factor, that is positive product. So factors are minus 8 minus 3. Now 4x square minus 8x minus 3x plus 6. Then we will make the group. First group of two terms. Which is a common factor here, common number? 4 is common, x is common. So we will be writing 4x common. Uncommon in the bracket. Uncommon here it is x minus 2. 4 2s are 8. So 2. And other group which is a common factor, minus 3. So uncommon in the bracket. Which is uncommon here? X is uncommon. And minus 2. You know full bracket we will get common. So x minus 2 is full bracket common. And the other one is here 4x, here minus 3. So 4x minus 3. Factors are x minus 2 and 4x minus 3. Now the next part, denominator part, 16x square minus 9. This is simpler, you will be able to do. 16x square is square of 4x, so 4x the whole square, and 9 is square of 3, so minus 3 square. Which bracket formula we are using? A square minus b square. So factors are 4x plus 3, the whole bracket multiplied by 4x minus 3. Now write the question again. 4x square minus 11x plus 6 upon 16x square minus 9. Now write the factors. Factors of numerator, that is are x minus 2, the whole bracket multiplied by 4x minus 3. And factors of denominator are 4x plus 3 upon 4x minus 3. Here you have to divide. Which are the common factors? So 4x minus 3 is common, 4x minus 3 is common. So full bracket again, children, I am reminding you. Full binomial, full bracket you will be dividing it. 4x minus 3 ones are 4x minus 3. And what is remaining is x minus 2 upon 4x plus 3. So this is the answer. X minus 2 upon 4x plus 3. Next question is a cube minus 27 upon 5a square minus 16a plus 3 divided by a square plus 3a plus 9 upon 25a square minus 1. Solution. Let's solve. A cube minus 27. So a cube is cube of a minus 27 is cube of 3. So it is based on the formula a cube minus b cube. So first bracket is a minus b. So here we will be writing a minus 3. The whole bracket multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 9. So these are the factors. A minus 3, the whole bracket multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 9. Next one is 5a square minus 16a plus 3. Coefficient of square term is 5. Multiply with 3. So 5 3s are 15. Factors of 15. Which one we will take? 15 and 1. What about the sign? Product is positive. Sum is negative. So both will have same sign. Both will get negative sign. Factors are negative 15, negative 1. So we will be writing now 5a square minus 15a minus a plus 3. Now in this group, first group of two terms, which is a common factor, 5 is common, a is common. So 5a common, uncommon in bracket. So uncommon here it is 5a square. So uncommon factor is a. Here minus sign, so minus 3. And here nothing is common, children, in next group. So what is you will write? Minus 1 common. Minus 1 common, uncommon here what will come? A minus 3. So which is a common bracket? A minus 3 common bracket. Uncommon you will take here 5a, here minus 1. So 5a minus 1. Factors are a minus 3, 5a minus 1. Next is 25a square minus 1. It is simple. It is based on formula a square minus b square. 25a square is square of 5a, the whole square. And 1 is square of 1. So factors are 5a plus 1, 5a minus 1. Next is, now we will substitute the factors. A cube minus 27. Factors we got were a minus 3, the whole bracket multiply with a square plus 3a plus 9 upon which factors we got for 5a square minus 16a plus 3, a minus 3, the whole bracket multiply with 5a minus 1. It is divide by, children. So divide by a square plus 3a plus 9. We are not having any factors for that. And it is one of the factor of, so it is one of the factor of a cube, that is minus 3 cube. So we will leave as it is. And 25a square minus 1, factors we got for 5a plus 1, 5a minus 1. Now we will write the factors. Simplified, a minus 3 the whole bracket multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 9 upon a minus 3 the whole bracket multiplied by pi a minus 1. Now remember children, again here it is divide by. We are changing to multiply. So what we will do? Reciprocal. So phi a plus 1 the whole bracket multiplied by phi a minus 1 will come here now in numerator, and a square plus 3a plus 9 will come as denominator. Now you divide common factors. So what we will do? A minus 3 full bracket divide. A square plus 3a plus 9 divided by a square plus 3a plus 9. Phi a minus 1, phi a minus 1. What is remaining is in the numerator phi a plus 1. So this is the answer, phi a plus 1. Next question, 1 minus 2x plus x square upon 1 minus x cube multiplied by 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x. So let's find the factors. Here the numbers are simpler, so we will directly write the factors. 1 minus 2x plus x square is actually a perfect square. First term, that is 1, is square of 1. X square is square of x, and middle term is 2ab, that is minus 2 in x, that is minus 2 into 1 into x. So it is 1 minus x the whole square, 1 minus x multiplied by 1 minus x. Or other way is how we have learned to find the quadratic trinomial's factors. Here 1, which is a product 1, and x square is given here and its coefficient is 1. So your x square they have given you as the last term. So no problem. 1 into 1 factors of 1, and factors of 1 are 1 and 1, and middle sign is minus. So both the factors will get minus sign. So minus 1 and minus 1 are the factors, right? And so we will be writing it as 1 minus x the whole bracket multiplied by 1 minus x upon 1 minus x cube. Now here our, based on the formula a cube minus b cube, our a term is 1 and b term is x. So 1 minus x is first bracket, second is square of first term 1 plus 1 into x, so x plus x square into, now 1 plus x square actually is one of the factor of a cube minus b cube, that is 1 minus x 1 square 1 cube minus x cube, right? And denominator 1 plus x. So second fraction, that is we are writing as it is. Now divide 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x. 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square. What is remaining is in numerator 1 minus x, in denominator 1 plus x. So our answer is 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Assignment. Third question of problem set 6.4. 8x cube minus 27y cube upon 4x square minus 9y square. So children, what you are going to do? 8x cube is 8 is cube of 2, so 2x the whole cube, minus 27 is cube of 3, so 3y the whole cube, upon 4x square. 4x square is cube square of 4x square is square of 2x the whole square, and 9y square is square of 3y the whole square. So first we are writing it, that is 2x the whole cube. It is based on the formula a cube minus b cube. So first factor of that is a minus b. So you will be writing 2x minus 3y the whole bracket multiplied by then a square. So 2x the whole square plus ab. So 2x into 3y plus b square 3y the whole square upon, now denominator it is based on the formula a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b. 2x plus 3y, the whole bracket multiplied by 2x minus 3y. Then what you will do? You will divide the common one. And then what is remaining will be your answer. So this way you have to solve it. Even you have to simplify this part also, children. In your answer, this will be a part of simplify. 2x the whole square, so it will become 4x square plus 2x into 3y, 6xy plus 3y the whole square, 9y square. Like that you will be writing the simplified answer. Next one is x square minus 5x minus 24 upon x plus 3 x plus 8 multiplied by x square minus 64 upon x minus 8 the whole square. So here also you will be finding the factors orally. Now product is 24 minus 24. So factors of 24, 8 and 3. 8 3s are 24 and the difference is 5. Middle term you will give to greater factor. So other one will get positive sign. So this all you have to do, children. We have already completed almost full chapter. So the factors are x minus 8, the whole bracket multiplied by x plus 3. The variable is x. In denominator already factors are given to you, x plus 3, x plus 8. Now here numerator x square minus 64 based on formula a square minus b square. So x square is square of x, 64 is square of 8. So x plus 8, x minus 8. And here denominator x minus 8 the whole square. So you don't have to expand, just you write x minus 8 multiply with x minus 8. Then divide the common factor, full bracket, x minus 8 divided by x minus 8. X plus 3 divided by x plus 3. X plus 8 divided by x plus 8. X minus 8 divided by x minus 8. Everything has got divided. So what is remaining is 1. So this is the way you are going to solve it. So children, here we have completed chapter 6, factorization of algebraic expressions. Thank you children. Sai Ram.